Now, time for me to beat Alex James in the recipe challenge. Ready?
Ready. Right, what am I doing?
What are you doing, Alex?
I'm doing breast of lamb.
Breast of lamb.
Rolled and stuffed up with mushrooms. Bake it in hay on a bed of spinach with some baked shallots. Nothing fancy.
You are quite a secret little foodie, aren't you?
I do love my... Well, when you live in the country, kind of life does tend to revolve around food, really. I mean, it can take all day making dinner.
Rumour has it you're turning into a bit of a sort of Hugh Whitting-stall, yes?
The trout farm phase of the sort of rock star trajectories is inevitable as the sort of model-chasing, boozy phase, you know.
So, Alex is doing a stuffed breast of lamb. I'm going to do a saddle of lamb stuffed with wild mushrooms, sage, a little bit of mint, and some mascarpone cheese, bound together with some spinach. Alex is using hay. I'm not, because it's fucking disgusting. Why hay?
It's nice. It does give it a nice flavour. I'm going to give it a bit of a scorch, so you get like caramelised hay. So it'll be a bit sweeter. You're going really fast.
I'm going at the city speed. You're going at the country speed. You see, it's very hard for me to imagine that you're a rock star and now you're this laid-back countryman. Can you see through all that hair, Alex?
Yeah, man.
It's like you've got this big curtain coming through one eye, so you're looking through one eye.
Yeah. If I get this right, it's flash.
So you got mushrooms in there?
Yeah, just giving it a little roll.
Nice. Huh?
It's quite a well-trimmed piece, actually.
Yeah. Then you're going to tie that in string?
Yeah, if I can. That's the tricky bit.
Excellent. Very chefy, that. You know that?
Huh.
OK. After so many years as a highly successful band and a rock and roll lifestyle to go with it, don't you miss it?
I wouldn't like to think there'd never be another Blur record, but I don't sort of yearn for it, no. I think it's, you know, it's a hard thing to sort of leave behind.
Of course.
But I think it's been good that there's not been sort of a Blur record for a while, because we all kind of needed to learn how to sort of be grown-ups.
Yeah.
And that looks all right, doesn't it?
I tell you what, from a chef's point of view, it looks like it's tied nice and tightly. And more importantly, now you've stuffed it, nothing's leaking out.
This is very... The guy who sold me my pigs, I showed him this hay and he said, that's too good for pigs.
Holy shit, you're serious. So what are you doing with the hay? You've wet it, Alex?
Wet it and then give it a bit of a... I haven't tried this before.
Now you're going to set fire to it. You're like a countryside arsonist. I can't believe you set fire to the hay. Alex, it looks like a large bird's nest, yes? And you've just laid an egg in it. So mushrooms are in there, spinach is in there. I'm just going to season it now with some lightly grated nutmeg, salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of mascarpone cheese. Bind all those mushrooms and the eggs together and stuff that inside the saddle of lamb. Alex, you wrapped the breast in hay, you then wrapped it in cling film. Now you've wrapped it in tin foil. What's next? Carpet. What are you doing?
Look at that. Can't argue with that, mate. That's posh.
Yeah, But you've got... So I'm just going to fold mine, sage on top, little fillets on top, and then just wrap nice and tightly over. Hoping all that stays in there. So the idea of the hay is to what? Perfume it?
Yeah, it does it gives it a bit of flavour, you know. And then it keeps it quite moist as well, actually. So then you just give it a little fry at the end. Oh, so you're crisping yours now?
I'm going to crisp it up, get it really nice and crispy on the outside, season it, and once it's all sealed, then I can put it straight in the oven. It'll be very hard to get this colour on the oven straight away.
Sure.
Ready? Into the oven, 30 minutes each. Yeah. I'll go to the top shelf. Just in there like that, yes?
Yeah.
OK, good. Yeah, 30 minutes. Now, I want to talk to you about your unusual sort of calcium intake. You once drank your wife's breast milk.
I did.
What's all that about?
Well, she had twins, and she'd been in hospital for like 3 months with them, and then she got out and went to see the Foo Fighters, had a few beers.
Right.
The milk was condemned. So I didn't want to throw it away. It's got to be good for you. I mean, it's got less fat, more protein. It's got to be better for you than cow's milk. I mean, it's human milk.
You're looking at me now as if you just put it in your fucking new cheese recipe. Have you made cheese with it yet?
People have tried, but it won't coagulate. But we could do a pretty good cappuccino. You up for it?
With breast milk.
Rock and roll.
Welcome back to the F Word. Now, time for the results of the recipe challenge. Time to plate up. Nervous?
I was a little bit nervous in the kitchen.
What are you serving with it?
I'm going to do a little bit of spinach and shallots. Smell this hay, man.
Smell you smell? Fucking hell.
It's quite honeyed, wouldn't you say? Or just a bit straw?
Alex, no, it smells like a fucking pigsty. It smells very sweaty.
It smells good to me. I think getting the hay off's the worst bit.
The way those fingers are, the way you're roasting things with your fingers, you're not using any tongs.
Fingers.
Very chefy, that, you know that?
It's all right.
You happy with that?
I am, yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
So you should be. JB?
Yeah.
So, roast belly of lamb?
Yeah.
Yes? Stuffed saddle of lamb. Ali, dépêche-toi là.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello. Hi, thank you.
So this is the stuffed lamb, number 1,
Okay.
and then number 2. Bon appetit.
Right.
Which one do you try first?
Try number 1, number 2.
Try this one.
Number 1.
Moist, very moist.
A little bit fatty.
Yeah, beautifully cooked. Let's try the other one, shall we?
I like mine
More
a
tender,
little bit more
definitely.
king.
Oh, yeah. I
13.
love the flavour.
Yeah.
Good flavour coming through. Mushrooms, lovely.
That's a pea.
That, for me, is absolutely sublime.
Well, you've put me to the test. I'm going to put you to the test now.
Okay.
I want to see if you can taste one of my very special cappuccinos.
With breast milk?
Yeah.
Let's
Up
go.
for it?
Yeah. Can you froth breast milk?
Yeah, it's all about how fresh the milk is. That's how well it froths.
Right. Okay.
I can't believe you never tasted it before.
No,
You
I've
know what
never-
you're missing. You know, in California, the ladies are all having it after their Pilates.
No, I'm scared. Breast milk's cappuccino.
On your cornflakes, all over the place.
It's sweet.
It's really sweet, isn't it?
Fucking
I love
hell.
it. I really like it.
Alex.
We get some more.
And if you have started a new fucking craze, then it's all your fault, you know that, huh? Okay, right, ready for results. Well, I wasn't happy with that at all. Fucking breast meat cappuccino. Oh, Alex. Okay. Give me the good news because,
Yeah.
one's rolled and wrapped in hay and
Okay.
with a beautiful salad of lamb. Don't fuck around.
No. Okay, so on this occasion you're doing that.
Yes, in there, yes! No, well done, mate. Thank you, buddy. Good luck with the Christmas single. Come here. Now, do me a favour. Yes? Fuck off out of my kitchen.